Hi there. In this video, we're gonna look for one example for composite functions. This is sometimes confusing topic for the students. So let's have a look on one of the example. So f of g of x. So we are given f of x function and g of x function here. F of x is given and g of x is given. So and we wish to find f of g of x. So when we are trying to solve this one, so first of all we always write the function inside. So what is it? Since we know the value of g of x, which is 3x plus 1, so we can insert here. Now the second function, which is f of, but this time you can see f of x is 2 times x plus 1. So what you can do when you're trying to use this function, so you can just write the syntax of this one. So 2 times x plus 1. So basically in the previous part, if you remember, your x was plain x, so that's why you get this whole function. But this time this x is being replaced with whatever you have right now. So just bring this down and simplify this one. So this will 6x plus 2 plus 1, so this will become 6x plus 3. So the meaning of this f of g of x is 6x plus 3. Similarly, let's have a look for another one. So b part for this one, g of f of x. Okay, I suggest you here pause the video and try to solve for this one. Okay, welcome back. So let's have a look on this one. So g times, this time f of x should go first, and then we need to use the g of x, which is the syntax for this one, 3 times x plus 1. So this time your x function is what? 2x plus 1. So you replace the value of x and then simplify this one. So this will become 6x plus 4. Similarly, you might see this example too, because here sometimes they're going to ask you find f of x. So in this case, what you will do the same thing exactly. So you have f of x, so first you will insert f of x, and then from here again you have to apply x. So this time you will say 2x plus 1, so whatever is your x, it should go here. So that means this will become 4x plus 2 plus 1. So that's when this is 4x plus 3. So in that way, there is a direct way. Once you will solve a little bit example, a more example for this one, so you will able to find actually the answer for this one. So you can you don't have to write this step. So you will directly from here you will able to write this one, since you can clearly see. So f is outside and t is inside. So you can write the f function outside and insert g of x in it. So I'll simplify this one. So here that will be your answer. Hope you like the video. Thanks for watching.